and welcome back to the shop. I'm Jessica. Today I'm going to be forging some Christmas projects. Mainly I'm going to be using the fly press and I'm going to be doing some texturing and some forming. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to be using some texturing dies on the fly press. Roy's made these in a previous video, so I'll put a link down in the description. I have one that's a ball peen texture and a cross peen texture. Alright, so now we're going to take some of our snowflakes. You can pick these up at www.blacksmithingblinks.com. And we're going to take this snowflake and we are going to turn it into a little candle dish for tea light candles. Let's get them in the forge and give them some texture. Alright, now I'm going to work on some Michigan ornaments. I got to get these textured. And by the way, if you're curious why I'm working on all of these projects, they are going into a local store, basically for consignment. Alright, so now we have the fly press set up with a swedge block and a bowling die. And I'm going to bring all my Michigan bowls over and go ahead and dome them, in addition to the snowflakes for the tea light bowls. Alright, now I'm ready to add the finishing touches. Let's use a brass brush. If you don't have one of these, you should get one. It makes a really cool highlighting effect. I'll put a link down in the description if you are interested. Let's get going. Thank you so much for joining me here in the shop today. Let me know what Christmas projects you are working on down in the description below. We hope you have a wonderful holiday and a very Merry Christmas. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.